If you guys didn't already know, I'm trying to travel the world on a budget, and that means flying a lot of budget airlines, which is why I have so many videos about Spirit and Frontier. But also, I'm going to be doing international budget, including Zip Air and WestJet, going to many different countries. But that's why I have a bunch of things that are absolute lifesavers when it comes to traveling: compact, cheap, and overall cute. Ew, I just had a flashback to the very cute, sorry, I'm not one of those people. If you are, great for you, not for me. But maybe you'll like this first thing, which is not a weapon, but a straightener comb. I'm going to link this down below, but when you travel, I know they have small hair straighteners, they have small curlers. This, battery powered. Life, absolutely easy. Got it from Temu. I also found one on Amazon. Gonna link it below. I just thought I'd show you because this has been perfect for styling my hair when I'm traveling, and I can't live without it. Is it a little dangerous? Yes. Does it heat up excessively high? Also yes, but it's cute. And it's in my color. If you did not know, I really like this color. I don't think we've ever talked about it. I have a minor addiction, but that's a whole other story. On to the more useful stuff. When I travel, I want to have cute bags with me at all times, but sometimes it's not possible, which is why I'm going to be linking my favorite fanny pack down below. This one is a two-piecer, but this has a separate compartment that actually comes off. Normally it's just like the hook ones, but this one is actually a little clasp here, so I can remove it whenever I need to and snap it back on. This works as a crossbody, it works as a fanny pack, and I think honestly it gives me more of a street style than you know, 6-year-old woman who's never seen the world. That's why we're traveling. I don't want to be like that. The great thing about this one is that it has a safety pocket in the back and a smaller one on the side for cash. This is actually where I keep some of my travel pills, like Bayer. I got some band-aids because I'm accident prone, Excedrin, all those types of things that you might need or might not need. I like to be sure because I am a sick girly. Not in this, there's different types of sick, but you know what I mean. I get hurt a lot, so we have emergency stuff. But more important, this has a reasonable amount of space for something so compact, and it makes it so much easier to just fill this with my things and shove it into the side of my bag, and I have it for all uses. Of course, let's just talk about what's inside this though. This is my wallet. Another thing that is absolutely amazing, it is a passport wallet. You could probably get from the general size, but this one, as you see when you first open it, pen holder. Here, you put in your checkbook and or checks, whatever you want, but this is where you keep your passport. Mine's been hiding in there. You have 2 more slots here, SIM card slots here. This is for a Tile or an Apple AirTag because you're not losing this. More slots here. This is for your boarding passes while you travel, and it has a zipper pouch, which is perfect for cash. So when you travel, all you really need is this one thing, because it'll have your IDs, your wallets, all your things, and if someone steals it, you just go beep beep. Find it. Beep beep. Yes. It fits so cute into this, and I love when things fit perfectly in other things. You know, like that one dude on TikTok? Not me, but you know who I'm talking about, like when he does the refill watch videos. Anyway, in the other side of this removable part, there is a little Velcro spot in the front. I don't know what you'd keep in there, but you could keep things. I don't know what I'm gonna keep. I'll figure it out. I'll find something like candies. But in the main pocket, I have something that you absolutely need when you are traveling, and that is to be able to charge anywhere at any time. This is an Anker power charger. This one's more of the more expensive ones. We'll have the link down below, and it is great because it already has an in-out cable. However, if you guys do get a cheaper power bank, again, I always recommend Anker, though I use them for all my cables that are at home, with the exception of this. It's a little portable wire set, and as you see, it has all the very many heads. It has the thing to remove your SIM card, where to put your SIM card, and an adapter for USB. If you've not seen this on any of my other videos, I carry this everywhere, which is also why I have the best travel adapter I have ever seen. This is by Septic. It's very compact compared to a lot of the bigger, bulkier ones. It's still pretty bulky, but you know what I mean. And this one, you change out your ports. So basically, Septic gives you a bunch of these little adapters. Depending on what country you're in, you take that little bag, that little individual port, push this little top thing in, you slide in whatever particular port you need for wherever you are, and I'm trying. I swear I can do this. I've done this so many times. What's happening? Okay, slide it in. Pops back out. And you have a port with USB and your powers. But also, it has a built-in cable. So you don't even need all that other stuff I showed you. I'm still carrying it though, because I'm traveling with my little brother this first one of these times, and I just, no. Costs a little bit more than a lot of the other adapters, but I will take this over some of the other ones absolutely any day, especially with just how easy it is for me to just have this. And even if I forget a cable, I'm pretty solid. But something I don't forget is my skincare, and when you are traveling, you gotta do this. However, this is not a normal Ziploc bag. It is one of the reusable Ziploc bags that comes in a pack of 4. We'll have the link to Amazon. It's perfect for international travel, and it's so much sturdier than using a Ziploc bag. It was like $8, and you get 4 of them. Do not, please, do not get your skincare thrown out. In here I have my Glow Recipe mini set. I also have my deodorant, which I just didn't know where else to put it, so I shoved it in here. But do not go unprepared. I'd rather them not throw your stuff out. Some people are really nice at TSA or the International Customs. Or some people will take all the stuff that you buy and throw it out because you really should have done your research. And yeah. Another thing that I've often had to throw out because I've had either nowhere to keep it or I just honestly forgot one pair is my jewelry because I have problems. Which is why I have this compressed jewelry container. If you guys have seen my other ones, they're the little square ones. I've gone off Temu and Amazon. This is my new favorite thing because it is so much easier for space and it's so cute. But look, ready? Open. You have a zip at the top here. If you can see, I have some hair ties. Keep opening it. You have this long one here. These are not earrings, these are actually rings. You open this snap, you slide your rings in, and you close it back up. Here, this is actually a pair of earrings, but you're supposed to have your necklaces. You put them in here, and then you snap these closed. You have spot for 4. There's a larger pocket here versus the smaller ones, depending on what size. Clear pocket. Solid. Clear. Solid. I have my watch in there just so I don't forget I have it, but you can put anything else in there that you might need. And then, this is why I love this. I can never travel with my bigger earrings. But this way, you just snap this little thing. The Storm's here. And when you open it, you have so much backing space for you to just slide in whatever size you need. And you have all your earrings. I am going to add a few more earrings to this for my Japan trip. Don't know which ones yet. Debating on it. But even if I didn't have that, with this amount of space, I'll be good. If you didn't know, there's also another zipper pocket down here, but I have nothing in there. So now you might be saying, well, it still has to be compacted. It's probably just gonna bulge. This one has a built-in kind of seam allowance right here. You can't really tell, but that's like extra space just in case you need just a little bit more space when you're folding this up. So then your thing can actually snap much, much further. I don't know if you can tell. Will be linked down below. Something I don't travel with everywhere, but I will be traveling with to Japan is a portable umbrella. This will also be linked down below. As you can see, I've literally not removed any of the stuff on it, but it is a really cute one that I have been given. I don't know if I can show you the print. Opening umbrellas indoors, bad luck, not gonna do it. A wonderful thing to travel with if you don't know where you're going, how you're going to get there, or if you just really rather be safe than sorry. Another reason why I also travel with this, because I would not like to hear here. I would not like to see your book lights on in the middle of the flight when you don't even need it. Just because you're blind. I'm joking. Let me stop talking. Let me stop talking. Let me stop talking. Anyway, I'm gonna shove these all into my Japan bag, gonna pack for Japan, and I will see you guys there. But if you guys like travel stuff like this, I am also going to Paris, Portugal, Barcelona, Mexico, and a bunch of other places, all on a budget. I will see you guys there, and hopefully you guys have just as much fun as I do. But remember, do your research, because I'm not smart, I'm not really well traveled, but I am just the middle child.